When you give value to a prospect, you create this psychological response in them. They want to reciprocate. They want to do something for you. Go ahead and explain, why is it that when you give value in a newsletter, you actually enhance your ability to extract value? Or let's put that's another way to sell something to your recipients.
So I think there's two pieces to that. So the first is that reciprocation that you explained is definitely true, right? There's some human, and I am not a psychologist, there's some human nature component to that, people give us something, we want to return the favor. If you think about it on its most basic level, when somebody says thanks to you, why do you instinctively say you're welcome? You don't have to. So there is definitely a reciprocation piece to it. The other piece to it, though, is when you are giving value, you are essentially establishing your credibility. You are establishing, depending what kind of value you're giving, establishing your expertise. You are establishing your brand in the sort of bigger ecosystem. You're also establishing yourself as someone who's trustworthy, who's generous, who's not just out to get, when people feel like they're being sold to, or they feel like you're trying to get stuff from them, their defenses go up. So when you are going to try to sell to them down the road, it's much, Gary Vaynerchuk talks about things like jab, 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 right hook. The idea being it's like give, and then ask. It's not that you don't ever ask. It's not that you don't ever try to sell. But that sales approach you make is going to be way more effective if you have provided a lot of value up front.